I have a passion for helping people. It's what I do best. Hi, I'm Joseph Fackler from eXp Real Estate. And I work with buyers and sellers in all price points all over Long Island. Whether it's competing in a multiple offer situation for a buyer or negotiating the best price for a seller, I always want my clients to have that upper hand. I think that being a tough negotiator is a key to that success. I like simplifying the process. I feel making it a hassle-free experience for my clients is extremely important. Going through a real estate transaction is a very personal experience. I want to put myself in my client's shoes. I have a very hands-on approach in staging and getting my listings 100% ready to hit the market. See, attention to details is what matters. You see, in real estate, time is of the essence. And I really go above and beyond to quickly respond to all my clients. I work closely with attorneys, lenders, and home inspectors. This ensures a smooth transaction from the initial offer to the time of closing. Helping people is a passion of mine. And that's what I do best. That's the Joe Fackler difference.